So here comes the moment of truth, right? I'm there, I'm alone, I don't have any friends, I've moved to Colorado to discover myself, and the one thing that was a problem was I was there, but I didn't know anybody, I didn't have any friends. It's hard for me to even talk about because it was a dark time for me. I grew up in a place where the decision that I made or the feelings that I had about being gay and being openly gay, I had committed to, but they came with a lot of guilt. I just told my parents that I'm gay. I can't become a hairdresser. You're crazy. They're gonna lose their minds. I'll never forget the first day of hair school. And I walked into a room of people that were charismatic and passionate, and most importantly, the most accepting group of people that I've ever met in my life. Every time I stand on a stage, every time I do a photo shoot, every time I get to mentor a hairdresser, I want to connect with them and help them realize that who they are is so awesome just the way that they are, and that they have the ability to create such a positive change in the world around them that it's a passion that drives me that I just can't stop.